Annmarie, can Mohammed bin Salman put those controversies in Yemen, in Qatar, in Lebanon to one side and prove to be a reliable partner for the UK?
Good afternoon, Mark. Well, he's certainly going to try to as he sits down with Theresa May. I mean, for him, this is really so much of a business trip as the Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman looks to his vision of 2030 to diversify beyond oil and expand the economy. Already, they're looking to try to bring more foreign investors into the stock market. Just 4% of foreigners invest in the local Saudi stock exchange. And of course, he's trying to drum up support ahead of the IPO, a partial IPO of their crown jewel. But I don't know if you can hear them now, but there are protesters outside the gates that, they're upset with his visit here in London, all throughout London, Mark. I'm not sure if you saw, but I landed from Heathrow yesterday, and the entire motorway in was billboards about the prince. So really a red carpet for him here, and they're really getting this PR agenda out that Saudi is open for business relations and political ties. But it'll be interesting to see how May draws that line between what citizens are protesting, saying that the government is too repressive, and the fact that she certainly wants the IPO of Aramco to come here and to continue these business deals and trade deals, especially in the arms sector, Mark.
Yeah, a lot of it is the narrative, isn't it, Annmarie? It's explaining the narrative to a non-Saudi audience, explaining what he's doing to his economy, explaining how he's trying to open it up, how he's trying to improve women's rights. What sort of job's he doing on that front?
Well, this year, women will be allowed to drive in Saudi Arabia. On top of that, women and men can now go to football matches together, soccer matches for you, Vani, in the U.S. Cinemas are being opened in Saudi Arabia. So in terms of the youth in Saudi Arabia, many see him, as a leader, and he's not tied as much to the elite. We did have that huge purge in Saudi Arabia, Mark. So many are thinking he is opening up at the kingdom. This is his first visit. He's going to London, he's going to the West, then he's going to New York, he's going to Silicon Valley, Mark, interested in the tech industry. So that's really his message.